Welcome to the London Water and Steam Museum. Saturday the 23rd of March. We're going to be celebrating World Water Day with a beautiful collaboration with the World Water Film Festival. We're going to be showcasing some amazing films from all around the world in regards to individuals' relationships with water. Please tell your friends, tell your family. It's going to be an action-packed day of where you can learn about how water is distributed across our beautiful city, how water is processed, how water is distributed to your taps, but then also celebrating with the World Water Film Festival and the medium of film to elevate the importance of water for all.
Museum for World Water Day. We've been here all day. It's absolutely amazing.
We're going to be premiering some beautiful films with the World Water Film Festival. It's going to hydrate the imagination and bring respect to water and what we can do in our built environment to have a better future with water. Peace.
Bye. See you on World Water Day.
Hey!
Wait.